Plus 1. 11. Now it will look again. Your I now becomes 7. Is 7 less than or equal to 8? True. True. So mapasok na dito. Okay. Ano na yung latest value ng 8? 7 plus 7. So the new value of 8 is 8. It will look again. Of this I plus plus. Your I now becomes 8.